G'day there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Denise has bought another $1,000 worth of shares. Let's see what she's bought this time. Check it out. Okay, so here we go. Here's her portfolio. We're up to $14,569.05. Total returns, $569.06. Don't know why there's a discrepancy with 1 cent there, but that's okay. So she's put in $14,000. We're up $569, and simple return of just about 4% based on that 14 grand. So today's investments, the Warehouse Group, and there's a good reason why. So we bought $1,000 worth. Transaction fees of just shy under $5. Price per share $4.07. 244 shares bought. That's all good. Let's go and have a look over here. And if we scroll down, this is the biggest holding that she's got, just over $2,000. And there's a good reason for buying this one, and that is the fact that it's paying dividends in December, and the ex-dividend date is the 17th of November 2021. So there was roughly $1,000 in there before. Now there's $2,000. So basically the dividend payout has doubled, even though the share price has dropped a bit, $42. Doesn't really matter in the long term. Going to get a nice payout of $83 in December, assuming the company doesn't go bust between now and then. Wouldn't be expecting it would. So we're pretty much, how many things we got here? We got 13 different companies. That's probably good enough. Maybe there's room enough for maybe 1 or 2 more, but 13's plenty. Bit of diversity there. 13 companies. Biggest holding, the Warehouse Group. We can sort that by the market. Let's scroll down here, the market value, and as you can see, the Warehouse Group is number 1, the biggest holding. So looking good. There's a few companies here that are going to be paying out in December. There's one in November, which is technically the Warehouse, but it's a little bit delayed this particular time, and it's going to be at the start of December. So today's gain, $77.73, which is good. Let's go and have a look at the payment months. Nothing's changed there. So we've got 6 payments coming up in December, well, we should have at least. The Warehouse won't be on that. In fact, make that 7 payments in December. Property for Industry, well, I don't know if that's going to pay out or not in November, but we'll find out, because it certainly didn't pay out in August, which was a bit of a disappointment. However, that's okay. Have a look at the NZX50 charts, and we can see it's up and down and up and down and up and down as per normal. So has been a bit of a growth overall across the year, which is good. This week has been supposedly bad, supposedly slightly down this fortnight, supposedly down this month, etc, etc. But hey, it's the long-term game. So 14, almost 15% of the way, well, 14.5% of the way there to the road to 100,000. Let's have a look at the share allocation. $14,569.05, and now that we've added some more onto the Warehouse, that's presumably it's the consumer cyclical, and it's boosted that by another $1,000, so it's another percentage on there. So we do probably need to look at these other fields over here and put some more money into those over time. We have a look at the dividends. Let's go and have a look at the summary of the dividends. So nothing's changed here. Still waiting for some more payouts, and $250 made so far, which is good. 6 months, just over 6 months since this portfolio has been going. And the next payout should be, what's the date today? 27th. Well, it should be tomorrow, $11.55, roughly, approximately, for Turner's Automotive. So, looking good. Carrying on. Keep going. And get there in the end. That about wraps it up for this video. Hope to see you in the next one. If you haven't already That about wraps it up for this video. If you haven't already subscribed, do so, and make sure you click on the like button and click the bell notification for more videos like this. We'll see you in the next one, and have a great day. See you later. Bye bye.